Hello and welcome to the biology class. I'm your biology teacher Asmita and we are studying topic Kingdom Animalia. So this is 7th video of Kingdom Animalia, and previous 5 videos we are studying criteria for classification of Kingdom Animalia, and in this video also we are continuing with the same criteria for classification of Kingdom Animalia, and we will try to learn new terms in this video also. So let us begin. So today's first term is metamerism. Now metamerism is something new for you. So first try to understand what do you mean by metamerism, and then we will go ahead. Now metamerism is body segmentation. The meaning of metamerism is body segmentation. Now whatever organisms, segmentation. So body segmentation is called as metamerism. Now what do you mean by body segmentation? See this diagram. This is what? This is earthworm. Now when we see earthworm body, the peculiarity of earthworm body is these segments which are present on the earthworm's body. Agree? So these segments are the body segments. Now, when the body segments are called as metamerism, try to understand. Now, suppose this is the body of earthworm. Okay, my diagrams are not that good, but just try to understand. This is a body of earthworm, and these are the segments present on the earthworm body. Okay, and these are linear segments, means arranged in one line. So these linear segments are basically called as metameric segments, or showing linear segment is metamerism. Linear segments. Okay, got it? But what is the speciality of these body segments in earthworm so that we can give it a separate name called metamerism? So just try to understand it. Now, when we see the internal structure of the earthworm body, it looks something like this. See, pay your proper attention. See, this is a total earthworm body, and this part which is in the square is magnified. Okay, it is magnified and internal structure is shown. Now see, this is one segment of earthworm, this is the second one, and this is the third one. Now what we see in this, try to understand. See, in this segment we can see some part of digestive system and some part of intestine, means some part of digestive system, and which is basically covered with, which is basically supplied with this red colored blood capillaries. Now whatever digestive system part we see in this particular segment, same part is repeated in the next segment. Okay, same part is in this segment. So these three segments are showing repetition of internal body parts. So external segments are these. Okay, they coincide with the internal segment, means externally they are similar, as well as internally also they are showing repetition of same parts. So this particular thing is called as metameric segmentation. Metameric segmentation. Now earthworm is like peculiar example of animals showing metameric segmentation. Are you getting my thing? Metamerism is nothing but showing linear segments in the body, and when we go very specific in it, it show metameric segmentation means the body's internal part are also coincide with the external part. So there we find a repetition of internal body organs also, and this is a specificity of phylum Annelida. Remember, phylum Annelida. Now which organisms come in phylum Annelida? Earthworm is the one. Another one is leech. Another one called as Nereis. Okay, so these are the examples of the animals which show metameric segmentation. Is it clear to you? Okay, So we'll go little bit details in about metameric segmentation. Now see, some animals means see, just now we know annelida show a complete metamerism, correct? Annelida show complete metamerism, show metameric segmentation. But what about other animals? What about other animals? So other animals, like there are two groups of animals. One are, let us consider arthropoda. Arthropoda means crab come in that, cockroach come in that, then honeybee come in that, then let us consider prawn come in that. Okay, then another example are vertebrates. In vertebrates, all reptiles come, fish come in that, even human come in that. So what happened to all these organisms? What kind of segmentation arthropoda show and what kind of segmentation vertebrates show? Now when we see cockroach body, okay, we find, I'll just try abdomen of cockroach, lower part of cockroach. See, it show segmentation like this. Plates on its body, on its abdomen, agree? But now when it show abdomen, when it show segments like this in its abdomen, that time these segments are just external segments, okay? But internally it is having a continuous body. See, if you remember in hemocyanomate animal, I taught you, this is inside the cockroach there is a continuous body, there is no segmentation found inside. So basically arthropoda, even crab, even cockroach, even prawn, they show only external segmentation. External segmentation. There is no internal segmentation is found in arthropoda. So metamerism is only external. On the opposite side, okay, on the opposite side in vertebrates, we show only internal segmentation and no external segmentation. We show only internal segmentation. Some wrong spelling, just a second, let me correct. We show only internal segmentation. Now internal segmentation means what? Try to understand. Do you see any outside segmentation on our body? No, we don't show any outside segmentation, outside a linear division of our body. But internally our body show repetition of organs. For example, in our thoracic region, our ribs are repeated again and again. So we are having 12 pairs of ribs, one after the another, okay? So we show repetition of ribs. Even we show repetition of muscles. We show repetition of muscles. We show repetition of some blood capillaries. So we also show repetition of some organs. So vertebrate, advanced animals show only internal segmentation. Arthropoda show only external segmentation, but Annelida show metameric segmentation, means external segmentation coincide with the internal segmentation. Got it? So this is all about metamerism. You need to remember about metameric segmentation, only external segmentation and even internal segmentation. So with this, just one more term we will study, which is very simple, simple to understand, and that is body appendages. Now try to understand. Body appendages are the one which all projections to our body are called as the body appendages. Now body appendages are used for two purposes. One is for capturing food and another is for protection. Now it is very easy to understand. Our hands and our legs are our body appendages. Means we can capture our food by our hand and we can run away for our protection by our legs. So body appendages help in the food capturing and protection. Now secondly, what kind of different body appendages are seen in animals? This chart show a list of animals and their body appendages. Hydra are having tentacles. Nereis, which is Commander Annelida, same like earthworm. It show the presence of parapodia, which are cilia-like structures on the side of its body, and it used for running or swimming also. Then arthropoda are having a lot of appendages, like they are having legs, so many legs in crab, so many legs in spiders. Okay, then they are having antenna for different purposes, and they are even having wings. Fish body appendages are fins used for swimming, and tetrapoda means the animals with 4 legs they are having 2 pairs of legs, 2 pairs of limbs. The 4 limbs, in case of us, 4 limbs are our hand, and hind limbs, that is backside limbs, which are our legs. So this is all about the three criteria: metamerism, notochord, and body appendages. So see you in the next video with some more criteria. Till then, take care. Goodbye.